Hey everybody, getting another little hike in. I think we're gonna do at least 8 miles today, and I say we because there's Wifey Pooh. She's come to join me today to help me do a little training. I have a fully loaded pack. Gonna give it a try today. Well, we'll see y'all down the trail.
Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. We dip our feet at the water's edge, and everyone would come along to meet us there. We'll have a competition to see who can trap for longer, 'cause every year my body's getting stronger. We can swim all day and dance until the night, but we're not coming home till the moonlight shines, till the moonlight shines. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
All right, well, the fog is burnt off. As you can see, it is a nice sunny day. There's Wifey. Say hi, Wifey.
How's it going?
Doing good. We about to stop here shortly and eat a little breakfast. The wife is gonna finally get to have some cold soaked oatmeal. Peaches and cream, by the way. But just thought I'd stop and show you that it's no longer gloomy out. So in this time of social distancing, she's too close. Ah! Run! Well, there's worse things I could be out doing on a Saturday other than taking a nice little walk on the Florida Trail with my beautiful wife. And I want to note, we have more than 6 feet between us. Never mind how we got here in a vehicle, you know. She rode on the roof. Yeah. That's what we had to do. Kept social distancing to follow all the CDC's guidelines there. But anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous out. So in this time of social distancing, get on trail, do some walking. If you come up on somebody on trail, step a little bit to the side. You know, make sure you keep your 6 foot distance as each other passes, and everything will be fine. And you'll get plenty of sunshine, fresh air, exercise, you know. Next thing we're gonna have problems with is the obesity rate going up even more, since everybody's having to be a couch potato right now. So keep that in mind, folks. Okay, wifey and I made it to Steephead. We're just sitting here by the on the little benches, eating some lunch. Contemplating taking a nap. You know, it's fat old guys, you know. No, but doing pretty good. Wifey's enjoying the day. I think we're gonna just rest here a little bit longer, letting our feet breathe, and then head back to the vehicle and call it a day. Just thought y'all wanted to have a little outing with us. Well, holler at you here in a little bit. Ah! Told you I was gonna holler at you in a little bit. Kim, how are you doing? Eating your nuts?
It's all melted chocolate.
So how do you eat it when it's all melted?
I need wherever you can get the chocolate.
No chocolate left behind. All right, so our lunch break's over. Got some dry socks on. Took a little break. And now we're gonna head on back to our vehicle. Probably not gonna do as much video in this time because we've already videoed coming out here. So it's just gonna be the same thing, but in reverse. So if you wanna see that, watch this backwards. All right, so we made it, 8.6 miles. Wifey's still with me.
Still
and she didn't kill me or leave me or anything. Well, we just want to thank y'all for taking a little walk with us. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, hit like, and there's a spot for notifications so when we post new videos, you can be updated. We sure did have a pretty good little dry spell. Sun came out and it was a little exposed, which made us appreciate water more, which touches my heart because of the mission that I'm on, and that's to bring wells into Africa with the Sonder Project. Well, remember everybody, one love, and we'll catch you on down the trail.